But I don't know. I think obviously everyone's more on the other end of the line is like super understanding. Like if my kid runs into the room right now, it's like it's priced in, right? Everyone's aware that that's could happen, right? So I'd say that teaching. So there's the space. There's kind of the situation with working from home, and then there's the practical aspect of I do a lot of teaching and teaching design online. I think teaching software, like how to use this tool, is pretty easy to do online. But the more conceptual stuff, it's a little bit harder. And I think that like the strategies that I use in a physical space, like don't translate that well to an online space. Like I think that I'm gonna need to completely, and I've already started doing it. Like at the moment we use Zoom to call, and then we have interactive conversation in Slack. So I'll do like Slack polls or Slack quizzes live while I'm teaching to keep people engaged. We do breakout rooms, we do all that stuff. But I think moving forward, I want to like get a tablet where I can have a lot less like slides and a lot more like interactive, like if I to emulate like a whiteboard in a classroom, not just like click through slides, breakout room. I want to somehow bring a classroom to life in a really clever way, and it's not easy. Like I'm thinking about getting a stream deck so I can do like sound effects. Like I want it to be like quite like wild and fun and like an experience, as opposed to like now you're gonna join this webinar and I'm gonna click through some slides, and then maybe if you're lucky we'll have a breakout room so y'all can get a break from hearing me speak. Like so I'm really thinking about